So it looks like the Galaxy A53 5G is at an amazing price right now. So as you guys can see, this article is from AndroidPolice.com. I'll leave the source of this in the description down below if you guys want to read this on your own time. But it says, grab the Samsung Galaxy A53 for a jaw-dropping $299. We're going to get into this, but we've seen this at this price point before, but not for Amazon. It is now on Amazon right now for $299, fully unlocked, GSM unlocked, so it's going to work with AT&T, Metro by T-Mobile, and a slew of other carriers. So if you guys do want to purchase this phone, go ahead and use my link in the description down below if you guys would like to support the channel. I do get a commission from it as it is an affiliate link. But yeah, appreciate you guys. So since we really like the mid-range Samsung Galaxy A53, but its MSRP of $450 is not a very competitive buy anymore. Right now though, you can grab one for a much more appealing $299. We've seen the A53 for $300 before, including just a month ago, but the offer was over on Best Buy. Today you can snag one at a deep discount on Amazon.com. Since you're getting the phone from Amazon, you won't have to worry about the pesky activate today price condition we often see at Best Buy. Just throw the phone in your cart, complete the purchase, and you'll have your new phone in no time. So again, this is completely unlocked, $299. I think personally this is a great deal. It was actually my number 2 phone of 2022 as far as a budget phone goes, but this phone is great. It has some great specifications. I think it's going to be enough for most people, even the people that are using flagship devices right now. It has a decent camera backed with some decent software. It has good storage. It has good RAM inside of it. It plays Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG. I believe you can also play Genshin Impact pretty well on this device as well. 4 years of operating system updates, by the way, so all the way into Android 16. So if you guys don't want to spend money on phones for the next 4 years, you guys can use this probably for 4 or 5 years, to be quite honest. So if you guys are really in the penny pinching state, this is going to be a really good device that is going to hold you over. I thought it was decent, unless you guys see the Pixel 6a. If you guys don't like the Pixel 6a though, this is going to be a great alternative if you guys like Samsung more. But if I were to purchase a device, I would pick the 6a if it were at $299. So if you can find that device at $299, that's a really nice device. But the A53 is super good as well. $300 phone from Samsung features a 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED screen with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, which means it's highly responsive even when playing fast-paced games. The model you are getting comes with 128GB of storage space and 6GB of RAM. Of course, if you need more onboard storage space, you can just get a microSD card to expand it. So if you guys want to expand your storage, you guys have the option to do that. And I believe it's up to like 2 terabytes. So you guys can store a ton of different photos on that. One of the things we appreciated about the Galaxy A53 while reviewing it was the battery life. The 5000 milliamps is more than enough to use to get you through 48 hours of moderate use. And yeah, this battery is actually pretty decent. It is going to get you through the day and then some. I feel like most people go home and when they go to sleep, they pop it on the charger. That's another option right here. Obviously, we also have NFC on here that uses Google Pay, so you guys can use this at checkouts. If you go to Starbucks or Target or whatever, you can use that and keep all of your cards in the wallet. But the software on this device is really good. I believe we actually got Android 13 already, or if not, it's going to be happening at the beginning of this month or end of this month. But if you guys have the A53 5G, let me know what software you're on in the comment section down below. But yeah, I'm not going to read the rest of that. They've said what they needed to say. I think that the Galaxy A53 5G is a really solid phone. And yeah, if you guys have the Galaxy A52 5G, this isn't going to be a huge upgrade. Honestly, I would recommend not upgrading unless you have like the Galaxy A50 or A51. I don't think it's much of an upgrade. I don't think it's worth it to upgrade to the A53. But if you guys were going from like the A13 or the A12, this is going to be so much of a difference. And you guys are going to have a really fun time on this device. Not just playing video games on this, but this has actually a really nice screen. So if you guys are into watching Netflix and watching TV shows and movies and stuff like that, you guys are gonna have a great time on this. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you gonna take advantage of this deal? Hopefully you guys already have a good device. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.